Oh, I didn't see there. Come on, I'm gonna show the beautiful nature for you. It's a beautiful place where you can live in. And I'm gonna make a Swedish tutorial on, you know, the names. So, hold on. Okay, here we have a strange object. We have, it smells like snow. And it feels like, what's it called in Swedish? Mjöl. Mjöl. And it's hard to break, you see. We call that snö in Swedish. And in English we call it ice. Okay. Oh, here we have a dörr, or as you call it, door. 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 It's green and we have windows on it. Yeah, and you can open this to get somewhere, but this is locked, and we need a key to open it, but I don't get any key, or nyckel as you say in Swedish. So we just skip this part and move on life. Okay. Oh, what a lovely tree we have here. This is called alm, or maybe gram in English. It's green, therefore gran, and it's yellow here. If you zoom in here and look at this beautiful tree. Important thing with tree is that you can't just crack the grenar, the grains, because the tree will die. And if one tree die, the whole planet will die. So if the planet die, we will die. So you basically kill your best friend and yourself. So don't kill trees. Take drugs instead. Okay. Yeah, here we have this open area, as we call skolgård, or maybe skolgård. Yeah, it's not. It's no such thing as rust here, so we don't go here, you know. What can we find? Oh, exactly. Here we have a tree murder. You know, I can show you. If you look at this point of the tree, you can see there's something missing. Yeah, of course. This green. You see? It fits perfect. Without the green, with the green. You see? This is a typical murder. There's like, so maybe a murder, or the tree just wanted to take suicide. That we can't tell. So best you can do is just to smell and try to find the murder. Yeah, it's definitely suicide. Okay. Here we can see footsteps, or maybe fotsteg. Usually they are kind of small, because people have small feet. But I think this is from a tiger. I really can see how it's a tiger. And we can come here. Smell this. Come here. Can you smell it?
Yes.
It's a tiger. Yeah, so we don't know where the tiger is, right? But we know there's some tigers out in space, and some in Sweden, and some in the school. So we have to be really careful now. So safety is the one priority now. So we have to look everywhere. Wait. No. Left, right, down, up. Okay, repeat after me. Left, down, up, right. Okay. Yeah, good. Okay. Did you do that? Did you do it? Can I see it? Yeah, show me. Left, right, up, down. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Can we see? We have some blue houses with red fences. Yeah, I don't know what to tell them more, but it's a good place. Yeah, so go out in nature, feel the nature, taste the nature, eat the nature, make the nature great again. Hello guys, and welcome to United PandaZ! Jag är klar. Fan, jag lagt det.